long time no see. I need to get my life together today, so that is exactly what we're doing in this vlog. We're getting my life back together. I was taken out by a cold, honestly. Like, I had videos pre-filmed,
which also was kind of stressing me out
sometimes because March is literally almost done, and I had like still a video that needed to go up like for March, and it was just a hectic month, not gonna lie, very hectic, but like those videos are up, so now it's kind of almost like
we're starting fresh.
You know, it's spring now. April's about to be here in a couple of days, so we're really having just like a fresh new start. I had spring break and then I had a cold, so I went to class last week on Monday and Tuesday, but Tuesday's when I started feeling like crap, and I also was on my period. Like, I started a vlog and it was just not it. Like, I was crying, I was a hot mess. I didn't even finish filming that video. I am just like, you know what, I'm starting over today. I have class. I still sound a little bit funky. I'm not like, I'm better. I still have like a random lingering cough and like I just sound bad, but overall like I feel way better than I had. So right now it's Tuesday. I have a lot of things to do. So first thing is going to class. I need to also get gas, so we're gonna do that. It's freezing. It's like 28 degrees. Yeah, I just said it was spring, but it's fine. So make sure you subscribe if you're new here. My name's Brianna. I do lots of vlogs and all that stuff. I also put like jewelry on today. Put my hair just in a bun. Just needed to feel some sort of alive. I haven't put my rings on in like so long. So that was the first step for me. Didn't put on any mascara or anything. I might take pictures later, so I'll do that later maybe. Let's head to the gas station and cry. Yeah, I'm still getting 20 cash regular. Sorry. I just, from this angle, have so many singles. Oh my gosh, I need to freaking clean this. Thank you. Hi guys. Okay, so a little while later from class, I just dumped out from my makeup bag all of my old makeup, like any product that I had, because I don't wear makeup, so all of that stuff was old except for like a bronzer that I got, but that was it. And I have actually a new foundation and a new concealer that I was gifted, so those are new, and like I think like a brush, so I just put that in there. So all this makeup is going in the garbage, and I have like obviously my graduation coming up, my birthday, a wedding to go to, grad pics and stuff, and I want to be able to do my makeup. I've been so scared of makeup, honestly, because when I did use makeup before, this is the problem. I was using like foundation that was number one expired, and number two, it also has SPF in it, so I don't know if products that have SPF like within the foundation or like a tinted moisturizer was making me break out too. So going forward, I actually put up a poll on my Instagram for people to comment like good foundations for like sensitive skin, so that I can find a good one. I'm gonna just keep it very simple when I do my makeup, but I want something, you know, I want to do something obviously, because I can't be scared to like wear foundation. Like, there has to be something that works for me. You know, everyone who wears makeup, like there's so many people, like I shouldn't be scared to like put it on my face, you know, but I'm not gonna be wearing it every day. So we'll see what I end up finding. I will keep you guys updated. If you have any recommendations, comment them down below. So yeah, I have that coming up in April. So I want to be able to like do a little something, just really like even out my skin, honestly. So yeah, let's dump this all out. It felt good to just like detox. I was actually having like a little breakdown earlier. I was crying like for no reason. I don't know what is up with me. I was just like overthinking my content on YouTube, and just like sometimes it's hard, I'm being honest, like it's very hard sometimes. Like, I've been doing YouTube for a long time, and it does get discouraging at times when you're not seeing growth that you think you should be at. But I always like preach, I try to go in with like no expectations, but there's times where it does get the better of me. So, and I was just like feeling so blah about myself, like I haven't been working out and stuff, but then I realized like I can't feel sorry for myself if I'm not doing anything to like really better myself. Like, I can be working out, and I know I was just sick, so I need to like take a chill. Like, I literally, that took me out for a week, but I want to start that today. I want to just get back into everything and just really focusing on everything that I want to accomplish or do. Like, I can't just sit around and cry and be sad about things that aren't happening if I'm not making a difference in my daily routines. So here is literally me getting my crap back together. Literally, like, I need to. So let's go dump this out, and then we'll do our planning in the monthly overview. What I'm going to actually do for this month, because it's my last month of like a lot of assignments, I'm going to put in some assignments on this one, because before I was just using it as like my regular monthly for like brand deals and all that stuff. I just feel like I want everything right in here, because this month is going to be like crazy. Like, look at this. I don't know if you could see all the freaking writing that I have, but it's like busy. Okay, I have everything written down for the month of April for assignments, which I'm going to get started on my nutrition and wellness discussion that I had from class today. So I'm going to get that over with. But since we're not in April yet, I figured it would be nice to get a head start with some of the stuff. So I have my first draft for my research proposal. So I'm going to start typing the introduction for that. So because this is all broken up, I actually have like half of the paper technically already written. I just need to like put it all together. So I'm going to work on that today, because once that's like my biggest paper for this semester. So once that's kind of like on its way to being done, I'll feel better, I think. And I'm going to pick out my topic for my crim final paper. It's like our term paper. I'm going to pick out a topic for that. I don't start it yet. It's due at the end of April, but I just want to get a topic written down on a Google Doc. Like little baby things to help me feel like organized in that regard. So let's do that. Okay, I've made progress. I'm really proud of myself. Hold on, it logged me out. So this, and then like it made me feel really good to get this like done today, what I've gotten done so far, because if I could work on this like the next couple of days, I'll be done with like my first draft, you know what I mean? And I was telling Amy, like, I want to treat this first draft as if I'm handing this in and like, you know, one and done type of thing. So basically I did one page, like the beginning first page of it. I got like obviously everything else situated with like formatting. Sorry, my mom is cooking, so it's gonna sound loud in the background, but I did the formatting, got everything to like APA, how like the header, all that stuff, and I really only need like,
I don't really know how many more pages.
I would say. So I have 1, 2, 3, like I have to tweak some other ones that I like copy and pasted from, like I told you, it's in pieces, so I have to like go in and just add a little bit more to them. But I have like around like 3 pages left, which isn't bad. Like, I'm not mad at that. So I did that, and now I'm gonna make a doc for my hate crimes class, our term paper. I'm going to find a topic. It just has to be related to hate crimes, or like a case that's related to hate crimes, and then eventually I can get started with that. Let's do that right now. Also, I feel like I sound terrible, but I'm like chilling. I feel like good. And later I want to do some more goal setting. I'm going to do like just a lot of scripting. I feel like really out of tune with my like journaling, manifesting. I need to get back on that, because that is what makes me feel really, really good. Okay guys, I am now going to do a workout. Got my topic I'm doing, and I just got ready, and by ready I just threw on a sports bra because I'm going to be doing a workout today, just like a YouTube video rather than like the boxing and stuff, just because I want to do the different things and just whatever I'm feeling that day I'm going to do, and I'm really going to try to stay consistent, because I can't feel sorry for myself when I'm not making a difference for myself, because you have the control to change how you feel and all that stuff. So here's your sign. Also, this lighting, like, I feel like the lighting here is always really bad. Like, I'm sorry, I just look like a ghost. Here's your sign. If you've been struggling with being consistent with working out, like I know and I understand, and I'm here too, so I feel you and we can do this. But whatever you're feeling sad about, like I was just feeling sad and unmotivated and comparing myself and all this stuff, like you have to just get up and change something. Okay, now I'm about to take a much needed shower, wash my hair, give myself a facial massage, give my scalp a massage, and really just have that type of shower so I could just really feel my best. Like, I'm tired of feeling crappy, tired of crying. I also have a new hair product that I will show you guys when I'm back. Here's the product that I wanted to show you guys. It's the Bumble and Bumble. My eyes are literally burning. The Bumble and Bumble Bond Building Repair Styling Cream. I was gifted this product, so I am going to use it today because you can use it before you blow dry your hair or like before you air dry your hair. So it builds new bonds to strengthen hair and help repair damage with honey bond building complex used to air dry or blow dry. So going to put some of this on. I used it one other time, so it also acts against heat, so up to 450 degrees, protects. So yeah, just thought I would show you guys. I don't even know how much I'm supposed to use. Okay. I mean, like, are you kidding? I just feel like I wish my hair, honestly. I know everyone says that, like, when you have one thing, you wish you had the other. And people who have, like, straight hair wish they had curly hair. But honestly, nothing beats how I feel when my hair is done. And just wait until my hair is, like, done, like, freshly dyed, all this stuff. I'm super excited, and it actually didn't even take me, it doesn't take me that long to do my hair, granted, like, how long it is and how thick it is. But it'll be faster once I cut it. But before I really like call it a night, which I'm so excited to like a little bit sleep in tomorrow. When I was sick, I was waking up so late and really like getting full sleep, and today I had to wake up early for school. Tomorrow I don't have class. I'm not gonna wake up so late, but I'll get to sleep in like a little bit and not be so worried. So anyways, I'm just excited for that. Let's do some journaling and goal setting for just obviously April, but some stuff like I want to make, I guess, like lifestyle changes, things that I do that I want to stop doing, I guess, to like better myself. So that is like something that's important. I feel like, for example, like I want to stop looking at my YouTube analytics, my studio. If you guys have a YouTube channel, you know, like it can be really discouraging when it ranks your videos. And I find myself like almost obsessing over it, and it's not good. Like, it's unnecessary stress. Like, just need to go with the flow. So like little reminders and things that I want to work on in April, and just obviously moving forward. Okay guys, it is now time to sleep. I just put my night little sleeping garden, put Vicks on. If you know, you know. I put it on my nose just to help with breathing and on my chest. But I also took my nighttime medicine, so I should be ready to knock out in about 10 minutes. But I wanted to end off this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me get my life back together. It was a good day, just my one breakdown, but feeling good. I think I'm vlogging tomorrow, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around. I love you guys. Make sure you like, comment. Truly is a big help. So do those two things, and obviously make sure you subscribe, turn that post notification bell on so you don't miss my uploads, and I will see you in the next one.